Alright, this video is to show you how to use the openLp system. Really pretty simple to get it all set up. Just opening it up right now. And once open, if the song is already in the list, you can just search it right here. Let's just say the name of the song is A Safe Stronghold. We'll just type in a safe and automatically it comes up. I click on it. Click the plus sign up here, and that puts it in. If I don't need the songs that are already in there fall away, I can just click the X at the bottom, Glorious Day, click the X at the bottom. It's as simple as that. If I need to display images, it's also simple. I click Images, and I can choose any of the images that are here. If I need one that's not in this list, I can click the little disk sign, load a new image. I can go out to my computer and find whatever image that might be. And I'm not seeing any images on, oh actually I am seeing some. This is a JPEG file. I have no idea what that is. So I'm going to open it and put it in no group, or I could have put it in a group. Then I find the image, click the plus sign, and the image displays over here. And media works the exact same way. So if it's in this list, I can double click it and get it, or I can click the disk. I can go out and find my media, double click it, it'll be in the list. Now I can click on whichever one I want, click the plus sign, and it adds it over here. Now if I have a song that I do not, I type it in, I don't have it, I can easily add a song by clicking this add a new song button. Give it a title. I'm just going to call this My Song. And I'm going to need to add some lyrics. So add some lyrics. I can go out to the internet and I can find some lyrics if I want, and I can just paste them in. I'll just type my lyrics. And notice this is verse 1. Okay. Now if I have another verse, I can click add, make it another verse, or I can click this here and make it a chorus, a bridge, whatever. Type in what I need or paste it from the internet, whichever. One more thing that must be done when you're adding a song is you must add an author. So I'm going to click that. I'll type in my name. And now I click save, except I'm not really going to save this goofy thing just to be in there. But I would click save, and now that song's going to be in the list. Now I search the song again, and it'll be in the list, and I simply click on it, click the plus sign, and we've got a winner. We're ready to go. Now what I would always do is after you finish, I would always click File Save or Save Service, and notice this green bar. When that goes away, then it's saved completely. Sometimes it takes a minute. You can see how long it's taken. That's okay. But we do want to make sure you save it, because if something goes wrong and you have to turn the program off and restart it, you don't want to have to recreate everything, especially if something happens in the middle of the service, and sometimes it can happen. The two things I would do if this is not working correctly, one is I would close it and reopen it. The second is reboot the computer. So there you have it on using openLp.